my people. Today I have come to give you updates concerning Onye Eze Jesus, because for a long time we have been waiting. We even thought that Onye Eze went and maybe it's a prank kidnapping, you know. That's what I thought personally. I thought that was what he did. That maybe for a long time now he has not come out. I think for 4 months now or 5 months, he has not come out on Facebook. So I just thought inside my mind, and then thinking that this prank is for people to know about Onye Eze. But it's a pity that is not that. Onye Eze is ordinary confirm na aka ji Onye Eze, and aka ji Onye Eze jisiri ya ike, because for a long time, even for Okongwudibe, before Okongwudibe come out to talk concerning Onye Eze. In fact, if you see him and see the pictures, see him that night, you will notice that he wasn't a small thing for Okongwudibe. He said he has run up and down concerning this case. But we thank God that he said there is, we will still see good thing from it. Why do I come out to say this? Onye Eze Jesus, he's not dead. You know, kpai. The Lord God is with him. He will still help him. So I want you to hear direct from his brother. At least hear his voice.
The reason why he made you kidnap Onye Eze Jesus. No onye cause you. This person now use page. This page there the prophet Onye Eze Jesus. Okay, guy Onye Eze Jesus is in Facebook. It has been long. Let me say about 4 months ago or 5 months. What against the worker. But this page now I keep posting updates, old videos.
So why am I saying it? All these fake accounts. Now because of this thing, now he make the whole Onye Eze Jesus. We don't know. For a 4 months now, the guy has not come out for his personal reason. Only him knows about. Okongwudibe have suffered all night. You can see him. He's not even wearing his clothes. He suffered all night, but he has not given updates that night. But Okongwudibe gave us assurance that Onye Eze Jesus is not kpai. If you are among the people writing, saying want to, in fact, you want to get money because of what tragedy of someone. Nna ego na achu baroge na anya bụ okwo ezigbo ego. Nke akwa ogwu ego. Honestly, how can someone be alive and you will come and write RIP for the person? I saw it, I wrote there and said, please, this should never be truth, because I remember his twins. I remember Pino. I remember a lot of good things. When Evangelist Ebuka Obi was like bottle online, Onye Eze Jesus came up and said no, that the Lord has spoken to him. There are places this guy is good. Don't rejoice for because of certain that it can happen to anyone. Yes, don't rejoice because of it, please. I am was na ngori ni ihe na eme nwanne anyị oda ade mma. So I say, let me give you updates. Onye Eze anwụrọkwa anwụ, Onye Eze dị ndụ. Oh, thank you so much. Okongwudibe, Chukwu gozie gị. Ngwanụ.